Music. Hey everyone, and welcome to my Bluepeak internet review. All the links are down below. In this video, we'll cover Bluepeak's key features, my personal experience, and who it's perfect for. Bluepeak delivers high-speed fiber internet with plans for everyone, from casual browsing to intense gaming and working from home. Speeds range from 100 megabits per second to a gig, so there's a plan for any home or small business. My experience with Bluepeak has been rock solid. The connection is consistently fast, with impressive download and upload speeds. Even during peak hours with multiple devices, I never experienced lag. Bluepeak's reliability is a huge plus. Unlike some other ISPs, my connection was super stable, and I had zero outages. Their 24/7 customer support is also responsive, which is a lifesaver. Installation was easy and hassle-free, no complex setups or waiting around. Another perk? Bluepeak's competitive pricing. You get great value for the speed and reliability. However, availability is limited, so check if it's in your area. If you need fast, reliable internet for a busy household, heavy streaming, or working remotely, Bluepeak is an excellent choice. Looking for speed and stability without emptying your wallet? Check out Bluepeak. More details are in the description. Thanks for watching.